Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to be learning something called conditional compilation, or we are going to learn about the conditional statements. So these conditional statements are going to allow us to execute some part of code depending on some condition where it is true or false. So one of the statement which is allowed to do that is called if statement. To use this if statement, we need to use the keyword if and a pair of parentheses, and between these parentheses we need to write a condition, and if this condition is true then we are going to write the statement that we want to execute between the curly braces. So this condition is nothing but the expression constructed using the comparison operators. So in C++ we have some comparison operators. For example, we have double equals to, which is used to compare if something is equals to something. Then we have greater than or equal to, then we have less than or equal to, and we have not equal to, and we have a not operator, which is used to get the negation. So we are going to use these operators and we are going to construct the condition in if statement. Alright, now we are going to see how to use this in our program. So just for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to create a variable. Let's consider a real example. In India, the age of voting in election is 18. So if your age is less than 18, then you can't vote in elections. So we'll be writing a program which is going to ask the age from user, and depending on user age, the program is going to tell whether user can vote or not. For that I have created a variable here, that is age, which is of int type. Then I am going to use cout for displaying a message like enter your age. For taking input from user, I am going to use cin. If you are not aware of cin, you can check out our video playlist for cin tutorials. Next we are going to use the if statement. So it's going to be if, then a pair of parentheses, and in between this parenthesis we are going to check the age of user, and it's going to be age less than equals to 17 and curly braces. If user age is less than or equals to 17, then this if block execute, and if this condition fails, then this else block execute. Now I'm going to be writing some message here. So according to this condition, user age should be less than or equals to 17. That means user is not eligible. We can display a message like now coming to else block. If a condition fails, then this else block execute. That means user age is equals to or greater than 18. That means user is eligible for vote. So we can display message like now let's run this program. It is asking for age. This time I am giving 15. The expected output should be you can't vote, your age is below 18. Now I am going to hit the enter button. As you can see, we are getting expected output, that is you can't vote, your age is below 18. Now I'm running this program again, and this time I'll give the age 25 or more than 25. For that our expected output should be you can vote or your age is above 18. As you can see, we are getting the expected output, that is you can vote, your age is above 18. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.